Hey guys, I'm going to take a video how to turn in a forward clock into a backward clock. So first, you need to remove the battery. If it's hard to get out, just use a small flathead screwdriver and then just pull the battery out if I can get it out. I saw a video how to turn into a backward clock. I'm making one too. Then you take off the hour hand and the minute hand and the second hand. And then to get out the movement, you need to use your flathead screwdriver. If it's so hard to get out, you need a flathead screwdriver to get it out. And then we'll come right out. So I already made a backward face for it. So we'll set the clock over there. And then we'll undo these little tabs here. I can get them undone. There's even a small one in the middle right here. Skip that one. And then you're going to take out the gear on top. And then, see if I can stand this moving up. Nope. That means I need to take out these gears too. Alright. And then, what you're going to do is pull this out, flip it over. Like that. And then...
Can you show that part again?
No, I don't want to.
Can you just explain what you did? Because it didn't show up on the film very well.
Alright, and then you flip over the coil. And then you put it back in. And then you're going to put this gear back in. Oh, and the battery things come out. Put that back in there. Come on, get back in there. Hold on, it's gonna be a second. Alright, I think I got it in there. Oh. Let's push it back in. And then we're gonna put this gear back in. Then this little guy. And then put you back in. Then this gear. Then you're gonna put this back on here. Then you're gonna put the blue little gear on. It might come in green or just plain, whatever color it comes in. Then you're gonna put your silver gear on. Then your second hand gear. Then let's put the cover back on. I think it's in there. And then you're gonna take the clock. Actually, let me test. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick. If it's sticking, let's put the second hand on. And then it ticks backwards. And then you're going to put the movement back in the clock. Flip it back over, put the hour hand on. I want to put it at 10 o'clock instead of 12. I'm not going to put the second hand yet. And let's put the minute hand on. And then the second hand. And then you have your backward clock. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.